deck, and Richard Darr, the one bad binder, will be in the hole. Folks, I know it's not over yet. I just want to say thank you for coming out tonight. We appreciate it. Hopefully we can come back next year. What do you think? Should we come back next year? I tell you what, if we come back next year, we'll make a deal. You bring your friends and neighbors. Everybody bring at least 2 more people with you. Let's fill this place up. Let's pack them in here. This has been an excellent show. We want as many people to see it as possible. Now, we reintroduced the 20,000-pound semi-truck class 2 years ago. This truck won the points both seasons since reintroducing that Pro Stock semi-class. This is Brent Roberts. Comes out of Hopkins, Missouri. Got the cool neon green light inside the engine compartment. Pretty cool. You can see all the workings under the hood there. Black on Track, the name of this semi. First hook for the Pro Stock semis here in 2025 so far. How many of y'all watched BJ and the Bear when you was a kid? Huh? How about Smokey and the Bandit? Yeah, heck yeah. Yeah, I grew up in the 70s. My brother and I had all those models. Moving On, remember that? Claude Akins, Moving On. The Rubber Duck. Convoy, shoot yeah. All right, he's eastbound and down. Here it comes, Brent Roberts, Black on Track. Donaldson, Iowa, make some noise. Brent